Mmm. Ooh-wee. Hey, good up. What's up, fam? Got this Masterbuilt out here. I think I was gonna do some pork chops on the stove. Got a couple people coming by, but I got 10 pork chops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each. As you can see, I was gonna fry them in a skillet, but you know what I thought? I said I'm gonna try my best. They are center cut chops, and they're kind of thick. I said I'm just gonna see what this Masterbuilt do, and I'm gonna try to see if it can cook some pork chops in the Masterbuilt. You know my seasoning: slap your mama, Creole, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and Lowry seasoning. You guys watch me, you know what I use. I got my eggs and my flour, got my ham, and we're gonna check this sucker out and let it get hot. I'm gonna wash these off, and we're gonna come back. So today we're gonna do some pork chops, center cut, in the Masterbuilt, and see how they fry. Just a little something to see, y'all. All right? All right, subscribe, like, and comment. Hit your notification button, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash them off and let you see that, and we'll get the video going, all right? Peace. We out of here. Yeah, pork chops going down. All right, y'all. We're gonna wash these off. As you can see, some pretty good pork chops. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Look at that. I give you one more. I ain't gonna bore you. Just want you to see what I'm washing off here. Pork chops ain't too bad, y'all. All right, give me time to wash the rest of these off. And the grease should be ready by then. And we'll start to season them, flour them, egg them. And we're gonna drop them in the grease and see what happens, all right? Let's see, y'all. Pork chops going down today. Peace. Be right back. All right, y'all. Here we go. We're gonna season these up. You know how we do them. We're gonna put a little bit in the flour. We don't change the game. It might change the food. These pork chops, we ain't gonna season them up too. They thick, but we don't want them to be too bad. A little slap your mama. I don't want them to be too soft. Little Creole. Here go the sneezing. Hold on. It's coming. It gets me every time. Maybe not that much this time. Little garlic powder. Ooh, here we go. Little onion powder. That's strong, y'all. Little paprika. Give it that beautiful golden look. That's what I think. Oh yeah. All right. Just gonna rub that in a little bit. Just get it in the meat. Just a little bit. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna flip them. Okay. 3 eggs usually seem to work for what I be doing. So I just stick with the 3 eggs. It's $6 worth of eggs right here, y'all. So they better come out great. All right. Mix up this. All right. I'm doing one at a time, y'all. You know how I feel about making a mess. I'm gonna try to stay, this ain't the chicken, I'm gonna try to keep these right here. That's one down. I know y'all don't wanna see all this, so. Just make y'all see a couple of them. Oops, my bad. I said a couple, I didn't think y'all was gonna be looking. All right, we're gonna come back in a minute and we're gonna do these. We ain't gonna bore y'all with this going on. I got a couple more to go. It's gonna take a minute. I don't wanna waste too much time. And once I get them all done, I'll be back. Peace. All right, y'all, here we go. Put some grease on this so they won't stick. I'm gonna see if I can get all these in here. We're gonna see what it look like. We're gonna stack them up together. I think I'm gonna cook them all because they're all going under the grease. Let's see what happens. One thing about this sucker here, you can cook them all. I think I can. I did 10 thighs. I should be able to do 10 pork chops. Woo, look at that going. All right, y'all. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. All right, y'all. We got pork chops going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, y'all. Let's just see. 15 minutes, we're going to come back, and we're going to see what happens, all right? Peace. We'll be right back. Hey, guys, let's take a look. Woo, let's see what we got. We trying something new here. Woo. I don't know if I can take them out. We're not ready yet. We're going to give them 5 more minutes, y'all. We're going to give them 5 more. That pork got to cook good. I didn't know how this was going to turn out. But look like it's looking good. They coming out good. We're going to give them 5 more minutes. We're going to pull them out, y'all. See. We're going to see if we did something. That's 10 pork chops in the Masterbuilt. Cooking done. Let's see if it works, though. We all gonna see this together, all right? Be back in a minute. Peace. Subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me what you thought. All right. To tell the truth. I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I think they're ready, y'all. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Got a little skin right there, y'all. Let me see. Y'all hear that? God. Hey, y'all, I ain't playing. Look at here, y'all. Look at that. They just came out. Y'all see it with your own eyes. You see what I did to them. Look at them things right there, y'all. Got me sweating. Ooh-wee. I ain't sweating. It was some steam. But look at them. Ooh-wee. I just gotta say, might be one of the best things we invested in was this Masterbuilt. Look at them. 10 center cut pork chops, all in the Masterbuilt at one time. 16 minutes. All right, subscribe, like, comment. Y'all want me to bite one, don't y'all? I heard you. I heard you. Just one, right? I heard you. Okay. Just one. Woo. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna have to put this one over here for me, y'all. One more bite, you say? You say one more bite? It's hot, y'all. Look. It's done, too. That's a sample. I'm gonna eat that for the sample. I only need 8, so 2 sample. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Comment, tell me what you like. Another video going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with the Masterbuilt. We got the fried pork chops, center cut. Can't beat them. Gotta join them. Going down. Peace. We out of here. Yeah. Wait.